GTEC stock analysis tomorrow, Wednesday and onwards. Is it a buy or a sell? Watch this from the video till the end, find out. I'm looking at Greenland Technologies holding. It is $2.11. Absolutely still in a supply zone. I mean, I'm saying this not in a way to just talk crap about GTEC, but that's just the truth. And I would better stick to my strategy that I've tested for literally 39,000 videos. And yeah, still down. So how's this gonna look like? If I see the price pulling up and showing me any sort of shift, potentially a short, but I'm not just gonna clip just because I like clipping, meaning selling. Rules must be met. And if I'm proven otherwise and this just delivers, takes the highs out, then so be it. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. That's sauce. It's free sauce. Everything else is nice. And I'm really, really curious to have, if I have anything here. Nope. So it's fair. It's fair.